I built 10 DM automation bots using ManyChat to drive more traffic and boost sales on autopilot. Now these are the exact automation strategies top creators and brands are using to grow their businesses on Instagram. And today I'll be showing you how you can grab these templates instantly to start automating your business today. So stick around to the very end so it all makes sense. And also, if you are new here, hello, my name is Joshua Gatewood and I run a B2B marketing company called Agency Builder, where we help agencies, coaches, and consultants selling high-ticket services by turning their DMs into profit engines by building AI-powered systems to generate more leads and book more calls. And in this video, I will be covering a high-level overview of our client acquisition system with real examples of business owners who use the exact strategies to boost more engagement, generate more leads, and close sales. I will also be diving into each ManyChat template, explaining how it works in the best case scenarios for using it. Then I will also walk with you through a live setup to show you how to easily integrate these templates into your business within minutes. I'll also give you full access to these templates to start using right away, so watch this video entirely to see how everything fits together. Now, to kick things off, let's look into the high-level overview of the client acquisition system. So in this high-level overview, there are 3 stages, which is the top of funnel, middle of funnel, and the bottom of the funnel. And the purpose for DMs or just ManyChat is to build connections. And that's the main thing with any type of DM conversations. We have to start building connections because people buy from people. And to get people and start getting more conversations, we need to have traffic coming in. So there are 3 ways in the top of funnel to get traffic. And that's either through paid advertisements, content creation, or cold DM outreach. And I'm going to be showing you a real life example of how individuals combined with ManyChat use each of these types of sales channels to bring in more leads and clients to their businesses. So let's start with the paid advertisements. There are 2 types of ads that we would like to run, and that is IG new follower ads and inbound DM ads. And these are examples of Instagram ads that you're able to run using a keyword triggering a conversation. So here are a few freebies, like a free course, and then all you got to do is just send this keyword and then they'll be able to start a conversation. Because right now what we want to do is we either want to run new follower ads, which brings them here, and assuming that you have an optimized profile, that you are nurturing them on your profile and you have content to continue to nurture them, we can either use our appointment setter and start a conversation and build that connecting stage with them, or run ads to activate the ManyChat DM sequence. So that's one way. The next way is through content. There's either Instagram stories or an IG post. For the Instagram stories, is similar to an ad. They will provide you some type of freebie from their content or DM, and then you either message them with that keyword. And what's going to be happening is through the ManyChat sequences, they'll be able to start a conversation to try and either collect your email number or just have conversations with you. And then this is where they're able to conversate and build that connection to a sales call. And then the next one is regular content. So an Instagram post where you provide value and then you have that type of comment, which boosts the engagement to expand into a wider reach. This person made it as his angle, and everyone will comment, and in the back end, in the DMs, they'll be able to DM you personally and then either collecting an email, a phone number, or trying to book an appointment with you, and then provide the lead magnet. And then the next way out of these 3 sales channels is DM outreach. Instead of trying to get a new follower, what we're trying to do is just go straight to a conversation with them. And how we do this is, what I built is a 100% done with you Instagram outreach system that we're able to automate the DMs every single day, 50 to 70 DMs a day. That's about 1,500 a month. And with this automated outbound system, we're able to infuse with AI targeting, find your quality leads, to be able to send a personalized message, or able to follow, like, and then comment on their profile, just because there's a lot of times where your DM messages will just go into the request folder, and if people don't follow you, they won't see it. So we want to make sure as well that they'll be able to be notified as much times as possible. And as a response to that, this is an example where I use ManyChat to automate my DM conversations, kind of like a inbound setter. So what will happen, the system will identify my ideal leads, it will message them, and if they do send a positive reply, then it will activate through predictive analysis keywords that I figured my ideal audience would say, and it would activate this bot system and provide the DM messages and the follow-up sequences. And it kind of looks like this, where the automation system will be able to identify my target audience, provide an outreach system, and then only if they're interested, because lead quality is important. So if this guy's my ideal audience, he has similar pain points that I am touching bases in, then through AI, the outbound and inbound system will be able to identify intent with ManyChat, and that's how it sends over the next messages. I followed up, and yeah, the client books. So that's fairly simple of how the system operates when it comes to the automated outbound message. Of course, this can help scale if you're saving time, if you're a solopreneur, or you can use a VA as well to manage the backend system for you. Okay, so that's how the outbound system operates. Now, I created quite a few templates that you're able to use on your own for any type of business. These templates are designed to work with both cold and warm traffic, that you can promote these funnels through your email list via a link, paid ads, or incorporate keywords into your content across various social media platforms, similar to what these guys are doing up here. Then the next types of funnels, these templates complement the main funnels above by re-engaging with your existing audience, answering common questions, providing rapid support to new and existing clients, or acting as a digital business card if you don't have websites. And we're going to just go into each one and look exactly what their purpose is and how they operate. So with the call booking funnel that looks just like this, the purpose of this funnel is to automate appointment booking with qualified leads. And what it does, it collects lead information, it qualifies in, and then sends them a booking link. And this is basically the journey of how the client goes through. The main goal is to try and collect some type of appointment or email. And then this is ideal for agencies, coaches, consultants that's needing a streamlined call booking process. The other one that I have, which is the email collection template, is to grow your email list if you have an email list running in the background. And how this works is, first you provide a free resource right here in exchange for an email. And then what happens is that you nurture the lead through this process. The next one is the product sales funnel. And this is to boost sales if you have a digital product or if you have courses that you want people to go in, and this will help leads. It would share your product information, follow up with them, and then offer alternative products if needed. So if you look into it, you provide a trigger word here. It'll provide, if they're interested in more info, it'll just go through the process of following up with them, tagging, providing thank you messages. And if they did not respond, there's journeys. If they responded, there's one journey. If they haven't, there's other journeys. Until it follows up, they either buy or need more nurturing. As for the product sale template, the next one is the recruiter bot lead qualification template. This bot will just ask a series of questions, about like 3 to 5 questions, to see if they're a good fit. And based on their answers, you're able to qualify or disqualify them. And then I do have the webinar registration funnel template. And what the purpose of this is to just drive signups for webinars and live events. And this just leads them to collect details if it's a number or email, and send reminders as well. And then the last one for this is the service consulting template. This is to convert leads into a consulting or service session. What it does first is it asks a series of questions, and then based on their responses, you can just qualify them and guide them to booking a call with you. This is good for anyone that books clients on a call. This is ideal for them. And then Q&A funnel template for businesses wanting to save time on common inquiries and nurture new leads. So that's for the Q&A funnel template. The support funnel template is just to offer quick support to new leads and customers. The system will be able to answer all those common questions, so you don't have to manually answer each and every one of them. And then for this one, this is the visit card funnel, and this is just to give an overview of your business and services. It functions as a digital business card, sharing essential info as a website alternative. So if we visit the visit card funnel, what this looks like, if we preview this, basically it can be, you can have a literal website about me page right there. We have a few questions if people want to ask more, free booking a call, chatbot funnel templates, or some of your products that you have, testimonials, and all these things that you can book in. So like that, and then just booking a call with you. And then lastly is the value bot, and this is just a nurturing system. It re-engages and nurtures your warm and hot leads, providing tips or insights to just keep them engaged if they have not bought yet. Anyways, these are fairly easy to use, and you should be getting leads as long as you did the main part of your top of funnel and you have traffic coming in. Now let's go into a live demonstration of how this operates. So this is my funnel, and what I've done is I've integrated the service consulting template, but I've used other templates and combined it together. like the Q&A and a digital product template, and I'm going to show you how it works. The first thing that happens is that I get a keyword trigger right here, and then what happens is that whoever commented, the bot is going to check if this is their first time DMing me or not, and we're going to pretend that doesn't match conditions, so this is their first time, and then it goes to the flow. So follow the red. Happy to connect. Are you curious to grow your biz? And then let's assume yes, you are. And then it's going to come through here. Okay, cool. Just tell me about yourself. And then it's going to start asking, like, just ask me questions. Sweet. Nice to officially meet you. Ever thought about making money right now in the DMs? Yo, Gotti is right. It does go down in the DMs. Come on, that's dope. It's going through the system, through the client's journey where I want to take them. Are you interested in making this happen for your business? Yes. And then what happens is that now, once I say yes, it checks, the bot checks if I already follow my account on Instagram. So we're gonna pretend that they don't follow me yet. And then it's gonna say, okay, before I send you that, please follow my account. It's gonna make me follow because it's gonna check again. And now let's assume that I do follow Josh's account. Okay, cool. Curious, what do you sell? Just pick one of the options down below. On Instagram, you'll be able to see options on the bottom, and then you're gonna just choose one. Let's say I sell online coaching. Do you sell your online coaching on landing page, Zoom call, webinar? So it's just asking, going down the stages, just like that right here. And I'm going to just say on a Zoom call. And there's a cool meme on that of how I operated it. Then our DM system will help you double your sales without doubling workload or cost. Power of DM automation, ready to take things to the next level. Hell yeah, let's go. And then drop your email. Since this is a preview, it's not going to check if it's my real email information. However, if it's on Instagram, it's going to check if it's a real legitimate email. Just letting you know about that. Awesome. Send that over to you. And then I'm going to send it here for you just in case. So it's going to be sending it to their email. And then they can just click to get it right here, which, you know, currently not it. But okay, so that's how you use these type of templates, and this was one of the live demonstration performances with the service consulting template. All you got to do is just adjust it to fit your preference. So that was one way to do it. Now let's go into how to install it into your system. All you got to do is click here and then fill out the link. Once you get this link, it will take you into the system. And all you got to do is make sure that you have a ManyChat account installed. And then all you do is follow this process. And how to do this first is the pricing for ManyChat is it's first free the first 7 days. But to use all of these templates, you got to have a pro account version, which is $15 a month. 7-day free trial if this is your first time with ManyChat, so very cheap. All you got to do is just sign up today for a 7-day free trial access, and then you got to create an account, which once you create your account, it kind of looks like this. Where to start, you use Instagram, Facebook, and then you go to your Instagram where you have to connect. And yeah, so very self-explanatory. And then once you are finished with connecting, then that's where you come to this spot. And all you do is once you reviewed what you're getting. There. All you do is once you reviewed what you're getting. Here, let's go back to it. So once you reviewed exactly what you're getting, you're ready to install. You choose a page. For instance, let's say this is a new page right here. Activate the trial. Start the pro for free. And then, I mean, there's some payment. We'll have to go through that, but we're not going to be doing that today. Once you hit the link, and then all you got to do is just follow the template. I have it all set up for you. Your first message, you know, all you got to do is just change this up a bit, customize it to more like what you want. And you can use the power of AI as well, which if you want to rewrite it, make it a little bit friendlier. If you want to simplify the language, just like that. And then you can generate more. If you like it like this, you can click on it. But yeah, you just go down and just customize how you want it. You can add or subtract depending on if it's too excessive or yeah. So once you have this, just spend about 30 minutes customizing to your own. Follow the instructions that I have on here. Just change the pictures out of how you want it and it's yours. Now again, to get full access to each of these powerful templates, just click the link below. And if you are serious about scaling your business or want us to build an outreach system for your business infrastructure to generate more sales and scale predictably, then definitely hit the button below to book in a call with me and my team, or reach out to me on IG. Take care and talk soon.